Is this Colonel Jeremiah Sawyer?
Retired?
Not anymore, Colonel. You've been recalled to active duty. We need you in Europe.
I was wondering when you people would call. Has I been giving you a hard time?
The Russians have proven more resourceful than expected, Colonel. They've made significant gains in Germany, and most of the Sixth Fleet has been destroyed.
Yeah, I heard. So I guess you want me to go to France?
Affirmative, sir. You will command a combined U.S. and NATO task force with the order to drive the Russians out of southern France.
You do know why I was discharged, don't you?
Well, all has been forgiven, Colonel.
I didn't ask for your goddamn forgiveness. You people got us into this mess in the first place. And now you're standing there with your pants down wondering what to do. Well, that's what you get with a bunch of sycophant bureaucrats making all the decisions.
Do you accept the command, Colonel?
When do I leave?
A small band of ragged defenders fleeing the nuclear explosion in Cascade Falls had come a long way from the proud battalion landing in France in the early fall of 1989. It was months before the invasion of Seattle, and the Third World War had already been raging in Europe for several weeks. The outbreak had been sudden, if not unexpected. High-level diplomatic talks were still going on when Russian tanks started rolling through the Fulda Gap and on into West Germany. The diplomats had failed, and the armies had taken over. The U.S. Sixth Fleet was destroyed during the initial fight, and the Russians followed their success with an amphibious landing near Marseille. The French army was pushed back hard, but U.S. reinforcements soon arrived to join a counterattack aimed at throwing the Russians back into the Mediterranean. We were all part of that endeavor, the unproven warriors of our generation, spoiling for a fight and happy that our time had finally come.
Then we'll flank them to the right while the cavalry draws fire.
Oui, but we do have a problem.
Captain Bannon reporting for duty. Ready to kick ass and take names, sir.
You're an hour late, Captain.
I'm sorry, sir. I got held up by this girl in the village. And...
Your excuses don't interest me. This is Lieutenant Parker, and this
Sir.
is Commandant Sabatier, our French liaison officer. Charlie Company is waiting for you by a farm just beyond this patch of forest. You can actually see it from here.
Yeah,
Get over there now. We're moving into the attack within the hour.
Yes, sir.
Very eager. He'll be dead by dinner.
We'll see. Where were we, Commandant? You've lost one of your officers?
Yes, a sous-lieutenant. The fool stepped on a mine.
Parker can handle that command.
You want your lieutenant to lead my men? But that is unheard of.
Do you doubt the competence of my officers, Commandant?
Vous arrogants américains, vous pensez que vous dirigez le monde comme il vous plaît? Ah, c'est pas possible. Incroyable.
Nous avons une guerre à gagner et je vais faire ce qui me semble nécessaire. My decision stands. Now let's get to work.
Zut alors!
Time for you to prove my faith in you, Lieutenant Parker. While Captain Bannon keeps Ivan occupied to the south, you are to strike deep at a fire base located near the lighthouse. Those guns are causing a lot of damage, so the sooner you get this done, the better. And Parker, you'll command a NATO unit. I expect you to show them the true mettle of an American officer. Eagle 6 out.
Lieutenant, over here, cowards die a coward's death. Keep that in mind and you will do well. This is Foxtrot 6. My aviation company has engaged the enemy, and my ground forces will soon be in contact.
Parker, try to clear out that vineyard ahead so we can expand our supply lines. This is Bannon. I have enemy contact. Parker, get your tanks over here and reinforce us. You belay that order, Parker. Bannon, you will fend for yourself. Parker's mission is to destroy that firebase, and it's not your prerogative to give him any orders. Is that understood? Yes, sir.
Acknowledged. Armor here. They're rolling now. Up, we'll roll out. Outlaw here, coming up. Busy cutting. Firing the heat round. Heat loaded. We got it. Engaging with the heat. Engaging. We're taking heavy fire. They'll roll out. Can we do some receiving? Going. APC will move.
Pick up one of your units.
Armor, get that API. We need a command. Heavy armor is engaging. We need a command. Engaging with what? We have to want our heat loaded. Need a engaging with the heat. We need to take out that hostile. Can we move right down, sir?
We've got casualties.
Just fix him fast. We'll fix that. Fix him fast. I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way. Out. Morning. Hostiles in the building got hit hard. Good orders. We'll fix that. Where do you want us? Hostile spotted. Dead hostile. Returning to base. We're fixing the problem right now. Hold on. Repair vehicle available. Fixing the problem right now. Fixing the problem right now. Started repairs. Hold on. Armor. Started repairs. Hold on. We'll patch you up, sir. Give you an hour. Heading change towards the area. We will scan it for you. Over. Shadow here. The airstrike is on the way. Over. Take out that hostile. Yeah, morning. Blitz them now. Commandant, we are driving. Armor is on the move. We are rolling now. I'm sorry, moving, maybe. Armor, moving, Commandant. We are on to me.
This is Eagle 6. You impressed me, Parker.
Right. I'm sorry, want to move.
Bannon, come in. I want you to send a platoon to guard the vineyard. This is Bannon. Couldn't Parker use his own units for that, sir? Negative, Bannon. Parker will need all his units to complete his objectives. I'm sure he will, sir. I'll send 3rd Platoon. Bannon out. This is Eagle 6. Parker, we just learned that Ivan is holding captured AA vehicles near the lighthouse. You should try to recapture them. And watch where you call in your fire support so you don't destroy the AA units by mistake, Lieutenant.
Bunker Buster bombed as requested. Heading home. Going, lads. Keep it up. We should move. They won't get the armor piercing. Warrior, fires it well. We took out the target. Alpha, do you want us? Here. The car, orders for the repair tank. We'll patch him up, sir. Started repairs. Hold on. Heavy armor here. Do you need some fixing the problem right now? We're ready. We'll patch him up, sir. They're driving to the position. Commandant, we're on the way. And so is on the move. Commandant, move. First in for command drive. We're moving. Moving. Oh, driving. Heavy tank. Engaging the hostiles. We'll move right now, Commandant. Fire! He's loaded. I'm moving up. Enemy spotted. Fire out the target.
I'm taking off with napalm loaded. Over. Order received. I will burn out the enemy. Cognac out.
We need to leave. Panzer is on the move. Panzer is moving. All right.
Aiming at the coordinates. Firing artillery. Over. Napalm ready. The target area will be hot. Over.
Rolling out.
We are reloading.
Destination ready.
The artillery
Rolling.
strike hits the enemy.
We're on the way.
Union out.
Incoming fire! Target tank destroyed. APC here. We need orders. Use armor piercing. Do something. Fire at the target.
Cognac here. Napalm delivered.
Take out that hostile! Where do you want to fire at the target? Anyone engage now! Where do you want us? Launch! Take your cover! We'll fix that! Fix him fast!
Parker, be careful when you approach the hill. They'll have fighting positions set up on the forward slope with the advantage of elevation.
Sir, shouldn't the lieutenant know this stuff already? I mean, a West Point graduate and all that?
I do not appreciate sarcasm from my subordinates, Captain. You mind your own business until told otherwise. Understood?
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Coordinates received.
Don't be sorry, Captain. Just do your job.
Heavy tank reporting in. Driving to the position. Armor started repair. We'll patch him up, sir. Fixing the problem right now. We'll patch him up. Hold on.
Cluster bomb hit right on. Shadow out.
Heavy fixing the problem right now. We're moving. Drive. Move.
Lieutenant, you've entered the camp. Destroy all enemy artillery vehicles in sight.
Panzer is on the move.
And we would prefer if you did it at once, Lieutenant. My men are suffering here.
We got it up. Fire! Step 2. Got a target. The heat. Just receive. Repair that. Quick, we'll fix that. Wearing heavy armor is engaging. The enemy spotted. There's the heat. Alpha, engage now. Taking heavy fire here. Got orders for the radar. We'll fix that. We're schnell. Leaving. Recovering just to fix him. We need fire at the target. Fire at the target. Armor's compromised. Where do you want us? We're moving. Where do you want us? We need a command. We're in combat. Just get us in right now, sir. Yeah, rolling. Do something for you. Prepare that quickly. Fix him fast. Yep, we are rolling now. Evade that fire. Affirmative. Heavy armor on. Armor moving. Right.
Copy on the target coordinates. Shadow is inbound. Over.
Recovery vehicle here, sir.
Airstrike accomplished. Casualties confirmed. Shadow out.
Heavy tank. We are rolling now. Driving to the roll out.
Lieutenant, you're being ambushed by Soviet infantry hiding in the forest. Call in some napalm on those bastards.
Step 2. Got a target. Angreifen. Hostile. Take out that hostile. Incoming fire.
Cognac here. I've taken off with napalm.
Fire at the target! Destination, fire at the target! Recovery vehicle! Where do you want? On the power badge! We'll fix that! Here. We need it now! Engage now! We need a enemy spot armor! Engage now!
The target area is in flames. Napalm strike successful. Over.
Repair driving, we'll roll out. We're ready to armor, moving. Maybe we'll patch him up, sir. Started repairs. Hold on, we'll patch him up, sir. We're ready fixing the problem right now. Armor's moving out.
You should deal with those Soviet soldiers in the woods, Lieutenant. Burn them out like cockroaches.
With napalm. Clear the strike zone. Out.
driving. We're ready to roll.
Well done, Parker. I'm giving you access to some of our artillery. Use it at your discretion.
Need a heavy tank now? Do you need some armor? We're rolling that armor, moving out. It's leaving. We got a lock. Fire!
Excellent, Parker. I'm giving command of the AA to you. Good work, Lieutenant. That infantry won't bother us anymore. I'm giving you access to some additional fire support. Captain Bannon, give me a sit rep. Have you accomplished your objective?
Not yet, sir. Enemy strength greater than expected. I could use some backup. Over.
Negative. Stay in place and keep Ivan pinned. I'm sending Parker to retake the village instead. You hear that, Parker? Clear out that village and report back. Eagle 6 out.
Show no mercy, Lieutenant. Those rodents showed none to my people.
But watch out for infantry hiding in those townhouses, Parker.
Commencing the attack run. Shadow out.
Artillerie bereitschaft. Voorbereid.
Do you need some armor? Armor is on the move.
Foxtrot 6 here. The bastards are fighting hard, but we will crush them, by God.
Lots of hostiles spotted. Dead hostiles.
You've breached the defenses, Parker. Now push the attack.
Nice going. We got that tank.
We can start a heavy barrage. We have the firing solution.
Warriors ready. Armor is on the move. Armor here, Commander. Loading AP rounds.
Our ordnance landed on the mark. Artillerie bereitschaft. Voorbereid. Firing for effect. Got any orders for the heavy artillery? Coordinates received. Fire!
Shadow here. The airstrike is on the way.
Moving over. Drive move.
My men say you are doing well, Lieutenant. Don't lose their trust now.
We are engaged.
We should heading back, Thomas.
Airstrike accomplished.
Keep it up, and the village will be ours within the hour.
Take out that hostile.
Engine,
Armor here. What now? Armor here. What now? Use armor piercing. Hostile destroyed. We'll back going. Can we repair that quickly?
Not much remaining now, Parker. Finish them off.
Copy on the target coordinates. Shadow is inbound. Over.
Yeah, we're heading for the coordinates. Armor's combat ready. Driving to the drive. Armored transport is where we'll move. Armor moving. Armored transport! We've got a lock! Fire!
Cluster bomb hit. Right on. Shadow out.
ABC! Destination received. Moving out. We need a command. Loaded fire and ill. We'll move right now, sir. Take out that hostile. Fire of phosphorus. That building is engaged now. Can we do something for you?
Need fire support. Artillerie bereitschaft. Yes, Commandant. Artillerie here, Commandant.
That building. Not possible, Commandant. We can't do that now.
We destroyed that hostile.
APC here. We need heading for the coordinates.
The enemy wants it before.
Roll out. Drive. Armored roll out. Move.
Urban combat is a dangerous discipline, Lieutenant. Make sure you protect your flanks at all times, and remember to respect your enemy.
What's the respect, sir? They're a sorry bunch.
This is a lethal environment, Captain, as I'm sure you'll learn soon enough. The moment you stop respecting Ivan is the moment you'll find yourself dead.
You should listen to your commander, Captain.
Yes, Commandant. Bannon out.
The village is ours. You're shaping up to be a fine leader, Parker.
Didn't seem that much of a fight to me.
Keep your opinions to yourself, Captain.
Eagle 6, this is Foxtrot 6. My scouts report that the Russians are preparing a counterattack against the village. We are fully engaged here, and I have no men to spare.
Understood, Foxtrot 6. We'll handle it. Parker, prepare what defenses you can. You don't have much time.
Depot 2, report armor moving out. Armor is ready. Armor moving out. Do you need some armor? Ready. Armor, roll out.
This is Foxtrot 6. The Rodents are retreating. This day will soon be ours.
Eagle 6, this is Bannon. We've destroyed the enemy and secured the base. Over.
And none too soon, either. I want you to relocate to the lighthouse and take up firing positions there.
But sir, what good can we do from there?
You will have to stop questioning every order I give you, Captain, or you will find yourself transferred to another battalion. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. Moving to the lighthouse now. Bannon out.
Warriors, well, driving.
We are driving. Defending, yes, move affirmative.
Armor is ready to go. Heavy armor here. Commandant, we're on the way. Armor here, come on. We're rolling, moving. Rolling out.
Jawohl. Getting to those coordinates.
Parker, Ivan will be back soon. I suggest you speed up with getting those positions up. Eagle 6 to Foxtrot 6. Give me a sit rep.
Foxtrot 6 here. We are holding, Colonel, but their anti-air defenses are proving a nuisance.
Roger that. I'll see about getting you some reinforcements. Eagle 6 out.
Artillery taking heavy fire.
We're rolling now. Arm moving. Heavy engine started repairs. Hold on. Depot 2 reporting in. Armored Hansa, move.
Eagle 6, this is Bannon. What's our policy regarding prisoners, sir?
What are you suggesting, Captain? We follow the Geneva Convention? But if they refuse to surrender, you shouldn't hesitate to shoot them. Is that clear enough for you?
Crystal clear, sir. Bannon out.
Recovery. We're rolling now. Armor, move. Do you need some armor?
Driving to position.
I hope you spent your time well, Lieutenant. Those defenses will soon be needed.
This is Foxtrot 6. My scouts now tell me that the Russians are on the way. You better be ready, Lieutenant. Those are my men you're leading.
You heard him, Parker. The village must not fall. Bannon will support you from his position at the lighthouse. Eagle 6 out.
Moving the heavy artillery now.
Armor here, Commander. Armor, move.
Go.
Can we do something? Not possible, Commandant. Yeah, roll out. Repair vehicle available. We'll patch him up, sir. Sir, we're all driving to the position. Started repairs. Fixing the problem right now.
Artillery taking heavy fire.
They'll come at you again. Call in what reinforcements you can.
Enemy neutralized. Great going, lads. Keep it up.
Target defeated.
We're taking heavy fire here.
command for the AA? Yes, Commander. Affirmative.
Armor is ready to go. We'll move the repair tank.
here.
Armor is
Your
ready to go. Do you need to right? We're ready. Perimeter coordinates. Armor is on the move. Driving to the position. We're moving. Roll out. Heavy engine armor started repairs. Hold on.
Don't forget to cover your flanks, Lieutenant.
Hostile armor neutralized. Bloody hell, we're engaged. Target defeated. Where'd you need immediate destination? Moving. Armor, sir. We're ready. Armor is on the move. Chief, we'll move right now, sir. Where do you want us?
Helicopter. Where do you want an AA gun?
We took out the target.
Get point here, we're rolling out. Defense, we're driving now.
We've got a kill shot.
Artillerie, Bereitschaft. Vorbereit. We have the fire source. Incoming attack!
We'll fix that.
Support available, Commandant. Anti-air available, Commandant. Affirm. Defending the sky.
Sir, fixing the problem right now.
Artillery driving to the position.
Repair driving, moving, rolling out. Roll out. Roll out. Drop started repairs. Hold on.
Don't forget to call in fire support, Lieutenant.
Strike is on the way. Over.
We are engaged. Where do you, Commandant? We're on the way.
We're
head high.
here.
Artillery taking heavy fire. Artillery detect.
The airstrike was a failure.
Doing that. Keep it up. Where'd you repair that? We'll fix that.
Heavy artillery.
Send some our way, damn it! What the hell are we doing up here?
You're holding the high ground, Captain. Now stay off the air unless you have something useful to report.
Here. Commandant, we're on the way. Need heavy taking heavy fire.
Can we do something for you?
You're on guiding them. Affirmative.
Retain that fire.
Got it. Getting to those coordinates. Get us in a safer position.
Target.
We got the target. Incoming attack.
Hostile armor neutralized.
Incoming attack. Artillery drive.
Target defeated.
We're moved to that position. Give us some coordinates to attack. Some air defense.
Keep it up.
Moving. Anti-air gun.
They'll come at you again. Call in what reinforcements you can.
Unit killed.
The
coordinates. Going.
Active. We're on the move. The barrage is on the way.
You lost a unit.
Chevalier here. Mission received. I am inbound. Over.
Evade that fire.
Enemy helicopters were taken out of the sky. Missiles are cold. No targets in the area. Over.
We're in We'll fix him. Fast. Repair that. We'll fix that. Armor needs orders.
Artillerie, Bereitschaft. Vorbereit. Coordinates received. Feuer.
Unit killed.
Mission coordinates received. Commencing the attack run. Shadow out.
Recovery vehicle. We'll patch you up, sir. Repair that, quickly. Over here. What now?
We get to that heading go.
We took out the target. Incoming fire!
Got it. Jawohl. Rolling. Yes, Commander.
Shadow here. No enemy killed. Returning home. Out. I've got a payload of cluster bombs and I'm on the way.
Here,
Out.
we're fixing the problem right now. Ready to roll. Armors. We'll patch him up, sir. Started repairs. You need some fixing the problem right now. We'll patch him up, sir.
Airstrike accomplished. Casualties confirmed. Shadow out. This is Union. The artillery rounds are inbound. Out. Union here. Artillery shells delivered on the mark.
We can
We're hit
start
on
a heavy
hostiles.
barrage.
Over.
We have the firing solution. Nothing left of that tank.
The village is safe, Parker. And we've started on the path that will see Ivan thrown out of France. Well done.
You show some skill, Lieutenant, and it seems you've earned the respect of my men. Très bien.